Omega is an operating system built into a virtual world where you can create anything you want using your hands. Everything is editable and interactive. You can spawn objects and tools found online or on your hard drive. In a virtual world, everything comes easily and instantly. Using these tools, people can create applications and entire worlds easily and intuitively. You can visit these worlds and explore them with people over the internet or access the files, photos, and objects you have on your computer. Omega supports web browsing. Internet access is fully integrated into the system. And if you want a second screen in virtual reality, it's as easy as copy and paste. Omega also has a visual programming system that allows you to drag and drop elements into objects to give them functionality. These elements have values and settings that you can edit, and users can wire these elements together to program whatever they want. For more complex solutions, Omega supports the text-based programming language Python. So here, in less than 80 seconds, it's possible to create a teapot that can make lines in different colors. And now you can draw in 3D, because Omega is a programmable world that shortens the gap between imagining something and experiencing it. With VR 3D modeling, Omega is great for architecture and pre-visualization. You can experience what it's like to do something or be somewhere before it's built. We can use this model to plan furniture layouts before we move in. Omega is meant to be a shared experience, with people interacting and working together. It facilitates users educating each other, holding business meetings, or even building a game with friends and then playing it. Our goal is to have people easily and intuitively creating and sharing and exploring experiences and content. Omega is the next step in computing. Its interface is an entire world that responds to our natural inputs and reacts as we'd expect. Our files, our data, become objects that we can see and touch. Programs become tools that we hold and use, no longer trapped behind two-dimensional glass. They exist in and change the world around us. Omega is the future for how we interact with computers, for education, engineering, gaming, business, and communication. Omega can't be described as one thing, like an operating system, or an app platform, or a web browser, or a game engine, or a programming language. Omega is something new, a virtual reality culmination of these things, a platform for your imagination.